We're going to be talking about how to make money with online orders. Here at Pure Romance, we replicate our site for every single consultant that joins the business. And you know what that means? You have your own website. And how do you make money using that website? Well, you share it with your customers. And when your customers go out and place orders on that website, you're going to be earning a commission that's paid monthly on those orders, right? So first, for any order that comes in that's $39.99 or under, if you're at a 30% buying discount, you're gonna get 30% on that. 40% buying discount level, you're gonna get 30% on that too. Second, if the order comes in and it's $40 or over, you're still gonna get that 30% commission if you're at a 30% buying discount. But if you're at a 40% or above buying discount, you're gonna get a 40% commission on those orders that come in. And remember, those orders are fulfilled by the corporate office, right? So send those customers to that website and sit back and have that income coming in. Thank you.